Alrighty guys, we're going to try to install a doorknob in 3 minutes. How the hell do you install a doorknob? We should watch a YouTube video.
I don't know, is that facing the right direction?
Black part points to the back, right?
Right.
I think, hell, I don't know. Somebody will probably correct us on that. It's in there. Remember guys, this is how not to install a doorknob and however long it takes us to do it. We want to install this doorknob backwards.
You're doing it.
Yeah, so we'll just do it upside down and backwards. Why doesn't it want to go in there?
I don't know, maybe it's just because they didn't have to be on the interior door.
Yeah, it could be. Could be. Guys, we may not be able to do this doorknob because this is a doorknob meant for an exterior door.
You got enough room?
I don't know, it ain't wanting to go in there. Ain't wanting to smash up on this side.
Yep, probably not going to go in there.
Guys, I don't think we're going to be able to get this critter in there because I don't think it's the right thing. We were just hoping and praying it would work so we didn't have to go back to the lumber yard or Lowe's.
We can go pull the one out from the shop door. It's an interior door.
We could.
We'll be right back.
Or, hold on here. Hold on. Let's try that. Let's loosen out this screw a little. Let's loosen out this screw a little. That moves that out just a little bit. And then that, maybe puts us where we can put our screwy holy thingies into the screwy holy thingies. I don't know. No, that's...
Well, when you go tighten those back up, so you can be sure everything in where nothing turns.
Yeah, probably. We'll see what happens. We're going to try it. This is not the friggin' way to do it, guys.
I don't know what they said. That fished out there, it's not going to go back in there, Tom. You're going to bend the shit out of that.
It's not going to work at all. Oh, well, we tried, guys.
That's how you not do it.
Yeah, that's definitely how not to do it, and that will not work. Apparently, for some reason, you have a really hard problem putting that exterior doorknob on an interior door. Alright guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy me fucking up. Mike doing what I couldn't do. Yep. Filming Mike do what I couldn't do. Yep. I couldn't get all that shit to go together right, guys. Mike just did. Apparently you can put an exterior doorknob on an interior door. It's not fun though, is it, Mike?
Well, this other end over here is having quite no feel on it. There we go.
Yeah. Well, there's the screws for that part. Click.
Even though I put it in there backwards, Tommy.
You put it in there backwards?
Yeah, it's supposed to be facing
What the hell did you put it in there backwards for?
Because you're supposed to be the one doing this.
Now, this is definitely how not to install an interior doorknob.
Now if I can get that out of there, put this around, put that back in there. And
Maybe it'll only work backwards.
story box.
Well, guys,
We ain't figured this out yet.
we ain't quite figured it out yet, but at least we're showing you real shit. How many YouTubers are going to show you them, you know, not doing shit right and doing shit backwards and, you know, just kind of fucking around doing this shit?
Well, the jam's not coming out, Tom.
Did you spit on it? Yeah, we have no idea if this is going to work or not, guys. At some point, maybe I need to kill the camera, put it back on the tripod.
We'll just turn around and we'll do it this way.
Yeah, doesn't really matter either damn way, does it? Alright guys, I'm gonna kill the camera, put it on the tripod, and start filming off the tripod again. Alright guys, we are back on the tripod. And we're still fooling around with the damn door. We could be one of those YouTube, channels that actually try to be entertaining.
Yeah, well, instead we're over here doing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, finger down. Now if I can get a finger down when it's in there.
Well, screw it. Let's just get the damn chainsaw. Me and Mike, we're not handymen, we're not repair guys. We're not carpenters.
That looks like it goes there.
God damn it. Yep. Alright, so guys, sometimes you just gotta fiddle with shit and fuck around with it until it just works. Right, Mike?
Yeah. Now see, I got a person on the inside and lock the door and ain't nobody on the outside get in. Even though all it is a place to store hot water.
Yeah, that's just for the hot water heater. However, you'll be able to lock that door and keep it locked. So if you have a guest or something like that, they're not going to open that door when they're in the bathroom to see what's behind it. Ain't no reason for anybody to do that, because, it's all on YouTube. What's on there, just putting it on there,
There we go.
Yep.
Hey, you gotta use the restroom, get out of here. Yeah, I locked this door. Can't get in.
We still need to screw the thingy into the thingy. Oh no, whatever do we do?
Casper.
There we go. Alright.
Yep, it stinks.
Got pee on it. Pee on it, it'll be alright.
Been outside for a year, so.
Yeah. Alright guys, apparently you can put an exterior doorknob on an interior door. Apparently you can. Alright guys, please remember, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe, comment, all that good crap. Hope y'all enjoy the 2 long format videos we done today.